This is the front living area of our 44FL. We decided to upgrade to the lamb bright tan couches and recliners. We also got tan soft touch walls and picked out some nice color shades to go with it. Tan too. We got the 40-inch Furion fireplace. And these couches are actually jackknife sofas. And they'll fold down really nice and they're extremely comfortable. And it's just great to sleep on. I've been sleeping great while we're here. So let's go into the kitchen area of our 44FL. First off, we have a residential fridge and freezer that has a lot of room in it. And couldn't ask for a better freezer and fridge in a camper. And then we opted to have no stove, just to have all cabinets and more storage for a better look. We got a Whirlpool convection oven, which is great. We've had good beefaroni in it last night. And then we opted to have the Brazilian island, which really splits up the white really good. And then we got the composite farmer's sink, which is also very nice in this unit. And it has two modes, spray mode and regular mode. And then here's the dinette, which we got the dinette table and beachfront chairs with beachfront cabinets. And we got the nice non-power night shades and day shades, which are really nice. They're easy to pull down, easy to bring up, which I really suggest putting in your rigs. So let's go here to the first half bath in our 44FL. First of all, we got a nice backsplash beachfront interior with nice accent lighting on the top and soffit lights. Couldn't ask for a better half bath in one of these rigs. And then right here we have a washer and dryer, which is also awesome in one of these rigs. So let's come here to the master bedroom in our 44FL. First of all, you just look at this. It's very open, very beautiful. Up there in that little open spot, you can put a decoration or whatever you want. There's a nice fan up here that's really cool looking. And then a ton of laundry space and for all your clothes. Nice little TV that angles right down to the bed for when you're laying back. And then here's the bathroom in the 2021 44FL, which we couldn't ask for this to be any better either. Nice dark color shower, nice, very tall. Probably someone almost 7 foot could sit in here and take a shower. We got the fantastic fan in here that's controlled by a remote over here. And then we also have the very nice backsplash in here as well, with the nice sink faucet. And overall, a lot of storage back here too. Very deep. And yeah, it's a beautiful, beautiful unit. We couldn't ask for anything nicer. We're more than satisfied. Awesome. Sweet. So here we are in the outside of our 2021 Luxe 44FL. We decided to get the Luxe Toy Hauler Tsunami paint with the colors ruby red, metallic black, and metallic gray. And it came out absolutely beautiful and we couldn't be happier with it. So come and walk down here. We got the first slide with the 3D touch in the paint, which we couldn't have asked for anything that looks any better than this. We opted for the window silks, which also have a little 3D shadow, which is beautiful. 8,000-pound axles. And then we got right here, outdoor entertainment center with a 32-inch TV, a radio, speakers. That's beautiful too. Then we got the keyless entry door here, and a nice blue lava lamp handle, and also a very big handle here with nice blue lights so you can't miss the steps at night. Another radio with 2 speakers up there. Nice camera up there, nice lights. Here's the storage. For a front living, it's still pretty decent sized storage area. So that's pretty nice. And then also, so you guys know, everything on Luxe is in paint. Even the Luxe logo is in paint, which is awesome. And then we'll come up to the front here. We opted for no generator for more storage space, which came out really well for storage. And then we got the MoRide independent hitch instead of getting the Gen Y. And then, yeah, came out beautiful. Sweet. And again, window silks all the way across the side. Couldn't be any better. And then here we have our tow rig, which is a 2002 Peterbilt 330 that we put a 13-inch drop visor on and a chrome bumper with LED fog lights and headlights, which came out awesome too. But the cool thing about this rig is it completely runs into the camper with all the Tsunami paint job, black rims to match, and it has a hitch saver hitch with airbags. The truck's equipped with airbags too, and this also has the window silks that the camper has on it. And we got a hitch trailer saver hitch with airbags, so it has airbags in the truck and the hitch, which honestly is awesome for pulling the camper. You hit a bump and you can barely feel anything with all the weight in the back. And then you can just see how it perfectly runs in with the paint, which is our favorite part about this rig. Guys, buy a Luxe. These things are incredible. There we go. Sweet. So here is our 2002 Peterbilt 330. It has a jackknife sofa in the back, just like the camper, that folds into a queen bed. And it has limo lights all on the top of it, which is very neat. It can seat 10 people, and it couldn't be any comfier for going on long distance trips with the Luxe in the back. For an old truck, she looks pretty decent. There we go. Sweet.